Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into settings and choose sound. Over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then you can scroll down and tap on the switchers next to SIM1 vibrate on ring and SIM2 vibrate on ring to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls from those SIM cards. Then scroll down, tap on more sound settings, and tap on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!